Well, today I'm on a road trip. I have a mission I'm going to try to accomplish in about an hour. If it takes that long, maybe it's going to take a little more than that, but I'm on a mission. Yep, I'm installing a toilet. The stuff in the back here, and I decided to stop part way. I'm almost there, actually. I'm about 40 miles from there, I think, 30, something like that. And I stopped in a little town of Pine City. I was going to top off the charge here a little bit. I would have had enough, actually, to drive from where we live in New Prague all the way to Duluth. I would have just made it. And that's about 170 miles or so. But I thought, you know what, I got to do a round trip here. So I stopped at this Circle K, and I'm charging up here. I actually drove by this, went to Toby's, which is down the road here, 13 miles, to plug into a Tesla charger there. They have 8 Tesla chargers. And I pull in, and there's big signs that say Teslas only. And I'm thinking, uh-oh, I wonder if my adapter will work here. Well, it didn't. So I had to drive 13 miles back to this location, and I'm charging up here. I had 47 miles left when I got here. I walked in, got a cup of coffee, and grabbed a croissant, which I just finished, and I'm already pretty close to 100 miles here. So it's charging really quick. I'm going to sit here for probably another 20 minutes or so, and then I'll have enough juice to get to my sister-in-law's, get the job done, probably drive all the way back to Forest Lake, which is just north of Minneapolis, St. Paul, and I'll top it off there while I have dinner and head for home. So all in all, it's working real good here. Really not a problem driving an electric car distance like this. This is my first road trip where I actually had to stop and charge. Well, actually, it's my second. We drove to Rochester once, and I charged there and at a Circle K. So Circle K is really the only place I've ever really charged to any meaningful amount. And that's working good. Yeah, it says I got about 45 minutes left if I want to charge it all the way to 80%. I may not. I don't know. We'll see. I'm at 100 miles right now. But, you know, I was going through some comments I've seen on some of these EV sites and stuff where the people that are anti-EV get on there and they say how they drive by and the charging things are, nobody's parking here and you can't park here because these EVs that are never parked here aren't here. Well, I'm looking back at the gas pumps and there's no cars. Well, one just pulled in. Otherwise, there's no cars by the gas pumps. And you drive by gas stations, and unless it's a really busy day or something, most of the gas pumps are empty. It's no different. You know, you can't park. I couldn't park my EV in front of one of these gas nozzles and just sit there. You know, that's taken for granted. You don't park an electric car by a gas pump and just take up a spot. Same thing, you just don't take up a EV spot. And if you do, and someone wants to be nasty, they can call the police and they'll come and tag you because it's no different than parking in the handicap zone. So I would recommend not doing it. I don't know. I've never seen anybody, you know, hog up a EV spot except for places where it's a company that has their own free charging, and the employees will sometimes park in one. I guess that's fine. Whatever works out for them. That's a private situation. But anyway, you know, other than that, boy, it's a nice day. It's nice and warm. They don't have any snow here. We had 7 inches of snow back where I lived, and 100 miles south of here, or 130 miles south of here, I should say. And here, there's just a smattering. They got like 1 inch of snow here recently, and that was it. There's nothing here. And this is usually the place where you go snowmobiling because they have gobs and gobs of snow, and there's nothing. They had nothing last year, nothing this year. Yeah, it's really unusual how the climate has changed in the last few years. So anyway, that's kind of my trip for the day here. I'm going to finish my coffee. Be about right. I'll finish my coffee, throw my garbage in the garbage bin, and take off. And hopefully this project goes pretty good. It's just putting in a toilet and a cover over an access hole. I think I'll be there in maybe an hour. So that'll work out just fine. I guess I hope that that Tesla changes the ones up north here. I don't know if they will or not. They're kind of in trouble right now. I don't know if you noticed that Tesla's sales are like in the toilet, and people are vandalizing their cars, and which isn't right. You don't punish the people that bought Teslas. I mean, they didn't know that Musk was an idiot when they bought the car. Don't punish those people, and don't vandalize the charging stations. That's foolishness. He's an idiot. He's going to go broke. Just, everybody that teams up with Trump goes broke. Did you notice that? Giuliani and the pillow idiot, they're flat broke. And Musk is going to be the same way. SpaceX, one of their rockets blew up. They lost 120 satellites. Starlink satellites came crashing to Earth because they screwed up when they tossed them up there. Didn't get them up high enough or whatever, and they fell back to Earth and burned up. The guy is poison. If you want to learn how to do a business, just see what Trump does and do the exact opposite, and you will succeed. It's just the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug here and truck on up north and get the turlet in. That's the mission.